Namaste students, I'm Isha Kushrobutia. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are here to discuss the topic that is origin of life. And this topic comes under the subject that is fundamental of biological chemistry. So let's start. So the early people believe that the life on the earth or the universe was already created by the God, and it was an act and result of God's creation. But there was, however, no evidence for support these claims. So many theories are there to they told that how the life is originated in the earth and in the universe. So one of the theory is the cosmologic theory, and it was given by the Richard. They told that the protoplasm reached on the earth with the cosmic dust, means the life is already available in the forms of the spores in the universe in some of the planets, and they came to the another planet through the cosmic dust. Likewise, the another theory is the cosmic panspermia theory. It was given by the Arrhenius, and it was similar to the theory which was given by the Richter. He told that the organisms existed throughout the earth and their spores could freely travel through space. Means the Arrhenius told that life is already present throughout the earth and their spores can go through the space and can create the life in the another planets. Likewise, the next theory is the theory of eternity of life. It was given by the Helmholtz, and simply the Helmholtz told that life is immortal, means it was present already there as it is present today. So the next theory is given by the Harvey and Huxley, that is the theory of biogenesis. But the Harvey and Huxley could not prove this theory. So many scientists tried to prove this theory that is given by the Harley Huxley theory of biogenesis. So one scientist, that is Francisco Redi, he took a raw material, that is meat, and he boiled it in different jars. One is um, closed and one is open jar. So he found that life can exist in can be present in only on the open flask, means in the air is already available. Life in the form of the spores can go into the open flask only. So this proves the theory of biogenesis. Again, one another scientist, that is the Lazarus Planjani, is there, and he also proved the theory of biogenesis. He took the raw material, that is the meat and vegetables, and boiled it again in various different flasks. One is closed and one is open. And he found also that the life can exist only in the flask which is open. So they proved the theory of the biogenesis, but both of them, they cannot disprove the theory of abiogenesis. So scientist, that is Louis Pasteur, disproved the theory of disproved the abiogenesis, and he also gave the theory of disease, that is the germ theory of disease. So what the Louis Pasteur do, he performed an experiment that is known as the swan neck flask experiment. So in that experiment, he took a syrup of the sugar and yeast, he boiled them in different flasks. One is the broken neck flask and another is the swan neck flask. So he found that the microorganisms develop on the broken neck flask, but not in the swan neck flask. Why? Because in the swan neck flask, the boiled when we boil the water, it converts into the moisture and it present in the curd in the swan neck. And because of the presence of the moisture there, steam there, the microorganism cannot enter the in the swan neck um, base material. which is the sugar and yeast syrup. So because of the texture or because of the shape of the swan neck, the microorganisms cannot reach to the uh, material which is present in the swan neck flask. So this disproves the theory of the abiogenesis. Further, there are theories that are known as the modern theories of the origin of life. So the examples are the Oparin and Helden theory and the Urey-Miller experiment. So these theory will be discussed in the further lectures, and we will discuss that what was the modern theories of the origin of life that is well scientifically proven. So hope you are satisfied with this tutorial session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query, and thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.